What's up, Dad Bod 40 crew? Who's ready to crank it up a notch and transform those shoulders into boulders right from your living room? If you're looking to level up your upper body game, sculpt some serious definition, and feel like a beast, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a killer at-home shoulder workout using nothing but dumbbells. No gym, no problem. Grab those weights, crank up your favorite playlist, and let's get those shoulders popping. This workout's going to hit every angle of your delts and traps, so let's do this. All right, before we jump in, make sure you've got a pair of dumbbells. Light for the warm-up, heavier for the grind. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our Dad Bod 40 fire. Let's get into it. First up, we're kicking things off with seated dumbbell presses to blast those front and middle delts. Grab your dumbbells and sit on a sturdy chair or bench. Plant your feet flat, core tight, and press those weights straight up overhead, nice and controlled. Don't lock out your elbows, keep the tension on your shoulders. Lower them back down until your arms are at a 90-degree angle and repeat. We're going for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Feel that burn and keep it smooth. No jerky moves, all right? If you're feeling spicy, pause at the top for a second to really flex those delts. Next, we're hitting bent over rear delt flies to carve out the back of your shoulders. This one's key for that 3D shoulder look. Stand up, hinge at your hips, and lean forward with a flat back. Think about sticking your butt out like you're about to twerk. But, don't. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing each other, and raise those weights out to the sides like you're flapping wings. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and squeeze your rear delts at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Slow and steady wins the race here. Control is everything. Now let's light up those side delts with side lateral raises. Stand tall, dumbbells in hand, and raise your arms out to the sides until they're parallel to the ground. Imagine you're pouring water out of a jug at the top. Slight tilt with your pinkies up. Don't swing or use momentum. Keep it strict to make those delts scream. We're doing 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If your shoulders are begging for mercy, you're doing it right. Time to target the front delts with front lateral raises. Hold those dumbbells with an overhand grip, stand tall, and lift the weight straight in front of you to shoulder height. Don't go higher than that. We're not trying to signal aliens. Keep your core engaged to avoid arching your back. Lower them slowly and go for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Pro tip, alternate arms if you want to keep the intensity high, and give each side a little breather. Finally, we're wrapping up with dumbbell shrugs to build those traps into mountains. Stand up straight, dumbbells at your sides, and shrug your shoulders up toward your ears like you're saying, I don't know. Hold that squeeze for a second, then lower slowly. Don't roll your shoulders. Straight up, straight down. Hit 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Feel those traps popping and own it. There you have it, Dad Bod 40 fam. A savage shoulder workout you can crush at home with just dumbbells. Run through this circuit, rest about 60 seconds between sets, and watch those shoulders transform. Hit shoulders once a week. You're not just building muscle, you're building confidence and showing the world what a dad bod can do. Drop a comment below and let me know how this workout hit you. If you loved it, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more workouts to keep that Dad Bod 40 vibe strong. Until next time, keep grinding, keep shining, and I'll catch you in the next one.